So this study was conducted as part of a Can Engage project to determine what are the guiding principles for improving engagement of people from culturally and linguistically diverse backgrounds in health services decision making. This study originated from Australian Cancer Consumer Engagement Strategy Framework, where there was a need identified to improve engagement with people from CALD backgrounds in health service decision making. But we recognized that we identified that there was a lack of specific mechanisms through which this engagement can be operationalized. So we conducted modified Delphi study. So as part of this modified Delphi study, we conducted an expert workshop uh, through which 22 statements were developed, and then these statements were then distributed through Qualtrics as part of a two-round Delphi, which was an online consensus survey. So subsequently, we developed through this online two-round Delphi study 10 statements, which are guiding principles for car consumer engagement. So what are these? So when people from culturally and linguistically diverse background are involved in cancer service consumer engagement activities, the consumer involved should reflect the cultural and linguistic makeup of the communities of interest in the particular area where the health service is located. A clear purpose of engagement is established to demonstrate, so there is a clear idea what is envisaged out of this engagement. Individual cultural and spiritual commitments or priorities are considered. For example, especially for Muslim patients or Muslim consumers, Friday is like a prayer day for them. So those things are considered when consumer engagement activities are planned. Materials should be provided to consumers ahead of the activities in their preferred language and format. No brainer there. We would like them to be engaged, and they appreciate this very much. And also, interestingly, they would like some people like printed material. So ask the consumers what they and how they need it. Support needs of consumers should be identified and met. So when I say the support need, it could be technological, it could be financial, it could be any other support needs. So always ask them how to improve their engagement, what can be improved, or how they can be supported. Extra time allocated for involving interpreters, usually double the time than regular. The way in which consumer perspective and influence decision should be clear. So how their perspectives were included in the decision making should be clear, and they should be provided with the outcomes of their involvement in their preferred language and format, and practices and processes should be evaluated for continuous improvement. So that's just a brief. Thank you, Tiffany.